Good morning, everyone. My name is Mondeep Sundi. I'm a student of class 10 from Nur Academy Senior Secondary School, standing in front of you to say a few lines about National Science Day. The National Science Day is celebrated every year on 28 February. This day is celebrated for commemorating one of the greatest inventions in the history of science, the Raman effect. It was discovered by one of the greatest scientists of India, Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman, for, for which Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman later received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. In the Raman effect, Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman explained about the laws of nature and what are the characteristics that determines the color of the various properties of nature. With the help of a prism, he showed that when any white light is passed through a glass prism, a triangle-shaped prism, then the light is being dispersed into 7 bands of color, the wave geometry. With this theory, the Raman effect, he proved that about the theory that why the rainbow is have 7 colors, why the sky is blue, why the water is blue, and why the glaciers are white in color. With this Raman effect, Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman explained about to the whole world about the color of the nature's various properties. The government of India initially started celebrating this day from 1986. It was first celebrated by the National Council for Science and Technology Communication in Maharashtra, and later on it was celebrated all over India. This this on this day, the government used to organize many science exhibitions in various sectors. They organize science exhibitions in schools, government schools, private schools, etc., where students had to make many science models, and they had to give presentation about what they had made. With the help of this presentation, they get engaged in the field of science, and they get to know about many things, and they also boost their creativity. The theme of the National Science Day by the Indian government of the year 2025 is Empowering Indian Youth for Global Leadership in Science and Innovation for Viksit Bharat. With this theme, the India is now developing its youth with the advancing world and making it prepared to use the science and being engaged in the science field so that they can make its nation proud in the sector of science. Thank you.